Hello, Europe. As a leadership and personal development coach, speaker, and pastor, I've witnessed firsthand and mentored individuals who've made incredible impact in different fields across the world. They essentially found their voices, achieved success by firsthand discovering purpose, connecting with people and platforms while thriving in different areas of focus. I'm convinced that something extraordinary is in you and it's time to bat it. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to Find Your Voice Europe Conference. Now, this conference is nothing like you have ever experienced before. You know why? It's a place where you'll finally come to discover your true purpose and connect with ideas and people that will launch you into the next level in business, career, relationship, and life generally. You're going to get inspired, learn practical skills, and join a network of professionals driving positive change in their communities across Europe. So I'm inviting you to join me and hundreds of other people like you at the Find Your Voice Europe Conference on Saturday, March the 16th, 2024. You can find more details on the screen. Clear your calendar, set your reminder, and prepare to join me in Brussels. I look forward to seeing you there.